Okay, hey everyone. We're here to give you a quick overview of Microsoft Teams in a video format. This is what we're suggesting that you use in your to deliver your face-to-face class online. It really can mimic that experience, so I wanted to go over that with you. You will be getting a guide that will walk you through the process, but I thought some short 5-minute videos would help you as well. And I'm just going to show you the easiest way it is for me to do things so that you can kind of see that it can be easy and you don't have to go into a whole lot of detail to get your class out there and get your students interacting with you. So first of all, I know that many of you are going to be using your own device and some of you are going to be using the school's device. There are many ways to get to Microsoft Teams. You can get there from Outlook, and that's how I'm going to do it today. You're going to get some guides that show you how to download the app, and if you're using a school device, you can click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Teams and open Teams right there. So for our purposes today, I'm going to go to my email in a web browser, and then I'm going to navigate to Microsoft Teams. So up in the left-hand corner, you're going to see this little square that is little dots, and this is your app launcher. You can see that as I hover over, it says App Launcher. We're going to click on that, and it will open up all of the apps that Microsoft 365 has to offer. Right under OneNote is Teams. So let's go ahead and click there. When Microsoft Teams open, you'll see a screen that looks like this. These are your courses. This looks very similar to Moodle, these cards. So if you're used to using that, all you do is you click into this course. I'm going to show you from this course because this is my course that I have not activated yet. So the major things that we are going to focus on today is how to activate your course and when to activate your course, how to manage your team by adding channels, and the major stream components or post components that you'll want to be familiar with. So if you'll notice here, this is what we will call the stream or the posts page. Think of it kind of like a Facebook stream. You can type down here in this conversation bar. You can add files with the paperclip, schedule meetings with the video camera. So those are going to be your major and most important components that you'll use in Microsoft Teams, especially in this posts page. Up at the top, you might notice that it says 44 students are waiting to join, and there's a button to click that says Activate. Do not click Activate until you're ready to rock and roll with your students. This will send them an email to let them know there's a team for them to join. Now, the next thing that I told you I was going to go over with you was how to schedule a meeting. So at the bottom here, this is the Meet Now button. It looks like a video camera. If you click the Meet Now button, you will get an opportunity to start your meeting. It will ask you if you can give them access. You'll want to go ahead and give access to your microphone and your camera. Click Allow. And you can begin your meeting. You can add a subject for your meeting and click Meet Now, or you can wait and schedule a meeting for later. We'll go into that in another video. But for now, I'm just going to close this window. The next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is to manage your team. We're going to manage our team into units, weeks, chapters, however you see fit. However you manage your course now, that's the best way to do that, to replicate that process here. Now, do you have to put your course into different channels and chapters? No, you don't. You can really run your course from this general page and schedule meetings right here, and it will just appear in one continuous stream. However, a lot of times we do recommend that you chunk your lectures and you chunk your content. So this is an easy way to achieve that in an online class and in this type of environment. Right beside the title of your course, you'll notice 3 dots. These are your More Options menu. So go ahead and click that and click Add Channel. You might notice to the left over here, I have already added channel for this week. You can add channels called chapters. You can organize them into units, whatever you see fit and what makes the most sense for what you're already doing. So we might say the week of 3/22. And maybe we would add a description. It's optional. You don't have to. And we want to show this channel whenever we're done. We want to make sure that it shows to everyone. And then we'll add your channel here. So we can see that this organizes these weeks, and it's a lot easier for the student to find out where they need to be, as opposed to it all being in one general stream. Again, the stream works as the same way. You can start a conversation by typing in the conversation bar. You can attach a file, maybe a PDF, or you want to give them just the PowerPoint that you went over this week. And you can use your Meet Now button to meet now. So in this video, we've gone over how to get to Teams, how to activate your class and when to activate your class, how to manage your team by adding channels to chunk that into manageable components, and where the camera or the schedule of the meeting is at the Meet Now button, and all of the tools that you'll use at the bottom of the class stream. Until next time.